Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Simplihan natin ang dinner natin for today dahil dumayo kami sa bahay nila amo at nila lolo at lola. So eto kami at maghahotpot kami ngayon. I-share ko sa inyo yung aming kakainin for tonight. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa aming salo-salo for tonight. Ito po yung mga nakayanan naming ihanda. Tignan nyo naman, simple lang pero nakakabusog. Syempre, mamaya may mga tikoy pa, may mga kung ano-ano pang paprito nila. So, madadagdagan po yung handa natin. Pero hindi po nila sinasabay. Mayroon din yung lucky na bilog-bilog. So, marami po kaming kakainin for tonight. So, lucky ako dahil lagi akong ini-invite sa mga ganitong kainan. So, sineshare ko na rin po sa inyo yung aming mga kinakain. So, sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking mga ibina-vlog dito sa Hong Kong at sa Pilipinas kung umuwi ako. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Please subscribe Lynn Jago Vlogs para marami pa kayong makikitang mga magagandang lugar at mga pagkain dito sa Hong Kong. Enjoy po natin yung pagkain today. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone!
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,